A routine day in court turned into total chaos when a police K-9 suddenly broke free and dragged his handler straight toward the judge's bench. What he sniffed out had the entire courtroom gasping and left the judge absolutely stunned. Was it a bomb, a setup, or something even darker? You won't believe what this heroic dog uncovered. Let's dip in. It was a quiet Monday morning in downtown Los Angeles. Courtroom 4B was just beginning its first session of the day. Judge Ronald Hughes, a respected man in his early 60s, sat calmly at his bench, flipping through documents for the first hearing. The courtroom buzzed with normal activity. Lawyers whispering, journalists prepping, and officers at their posts. Among them was Officer Daniel Brooks, a young cop with 3 years on the force. By his side stood a muscular German shepherd named Rex, one of the department's most trusted K-9s. Rex had been brought in for routine inspection as a precaution. The court was expecting a high-profile drug trafficking case later that day, and extra security measures were in place. No one expected what was about to happen. As Officer Brooks waited near the back of the room, Rex began sniffing the air aggressively. His calm demeanor shifted. Without warning, Rex let out a low growl, his nose twitching rapidly. Brooks tugged gently on the leash, whispering, "Easy, boy. What's wrong?" But Rex didn't stop. His instincts had kicked in. Suddenly, he pulled hard, so hard that Officer Brooks stumbled forward. The entire courtroom turned in shock as the dog dragged the officer straight down the aisle, barking furiously. Gasps echoed as Rex bolted past the defense table, heading straight toward the judge's bench. Everyone froze. The bailiff reached for his weapon, unsure if the dog had gone rogue. Judge Hughes stood up, stunned and confused. And then it happened. Rex lunged toward the bottom of the judge's bench, sniffing intensely, barking, pawing at something. Officer Brooks knelt beside Rex and began inspecting the area beneath the bench. And there it was, a black duffel bag wedged tightly under the structure, almost invisible to the naked eye. The courtroom went silent. Brooks carefully pulled the bag out while Rex sat beside him, tail stiff, eyes locked on the bag. Security cleared the room immediately. The judge was escorted to safety, and the bomb squad was called in within minutes. An X-ray of the bag revealed something even more alarming. It wasn't a bomb, but contained multiple plastic-wrapped packages. The packages were open and revealed pure heroin, estimated to be worth over $1.2 million on the street. Everyone was in disbelief. Who would leave something like that in a courtroom? Under the judge's bench, of all places. The courtroom was shut down and a full investigation was launched. Surveillance footage showed a man posing as a janitor entering the courtroom the night before. He was later identified as Marcus Rivera, a known associate of the cartel involved in the trial schedule for that day. It was later revealed that the plan was to plant the drugs in the courtroom and claim they were evidence tampering by the police, an attempt to discredit the case and get the charges dropped for the cartel leader on trial. But they didn't count on one thing: Rex's nose. Had it not been for Rex's instincts, the bag could have gone unnoticed. Worse, someone could have found it later, and the entire court staff might have been wrongly accused or caught up in a dangerous scandal. Rex became an overnight hero. Just hours after the story broke, news stations swarmed the courthouse. Rex stood proud next to Officer Brooks during a press briefing. The judge himself shook paws with the heroic dog and called him the most loyal officer in the courtroom. The mayor awarded Rex with a Medal of Bravery, and his photo was posted across every police department bulletin in the city. Children from nearby schools sent in drawings of Rex. People started calling him Detective Dog. And as for Marcus Rivera, he was arrested within 48 hours. With the discovery of the drugs and surveillance evidence, prosecutors had everything they needed. Rex not only saved a courtroom full of people from potential danger, but also protected the justice system from a corrupt scheme. Clapperboard outro. Who would have thought that a dog sniffing around would uncover $1 million crime right under the nose of court? This just shows the incredible value of our K-9 units. Always alert, always loyal, and always ready to serve. So next time you see a police dog, remember, they're not just pets. They're heroes in fur. If you found this story amazing, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more real stories like this one.